For reduced downtime and a long working life, all tools require good maintenance, whether that's checking filters, greasing gearboxes, or sharpening blades. It's obvious that machines in use every day will require more regular maintenance than those used less often. But across a large fleet of tools, these variations can become time-consuming to manage. STIHL Connected is a system that records the total working time of each tool in your fleet, prompting you to complete important maintenance tasks exactly when required. The system starts with the STIHL Smart Connectors. The Smart Connector is a simple device that records the runtime of your machine. It does this by detecting an active electrical signal, for example from the battery or spark plug. When you go through the installation process on the STIHL Connected app, you'll be told exactly where the connector should be fitted on your STIHL machine, either with the sticky back or with the 2 screws provided. STIHL Connected isn't just limited to STIHL machines. From stump grinders and chippers to tractors and winches, smart connectors can record the runtime of an entire fleet of mixed machinery. Selected tools are also compatible with the Smart Connector 2A. This connector plugs directly into the control module of certain AP system tools such as the MSA 300, allowing it to collect a richer amount of information on top of the standard Smart Connector, such as what power level the tool has been used at. You can even trigger the LED light on the tool from your smartphone so you know which tool to pick up from the shelf. STIHL Connected is built into some of our Pro batteries too, letting you keep track of useful battery information such as charge status. The runtime information is synced from the Smart Connector to your smartphone via Bluetooth if you're within 10 meters of the tool with the STIHL Connected app open. If you're part of a large team, other people can be set up, meaning the connector can sync with several different smartphones if required. The STIHL Connected app collates this information, giving an intuitive overview of the entire machinery fleet. All this information is also available on the desktop STIHL Connected portal using the same login details as the STIHL Connected app. Each registered tool can have its own maintenance plan. STIHL tools have a pre-configured plan, while maintenance plans for third-party machines can be made easily in the STIHL Connected portal. An unlimited number of maintenance tasks can be set to occur after so many working hours or after a certain number of days for extra flexibility. A history of completed maintenance tasks can be accessed at any time for easy record keeping and improved traceability. To get your smart connectors, please visit your nearest STIHL approved dealer.